If you've ever opened the PowerPoint template and found a footer or slide number that simply refuses to move, change, or delete, don't worry. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple method to fix even the most stubborn footer or numbering issues. By the end of this guide, you'll finally have full control over those locked elements that have been slowing you down. Let's start by opening your PowerPoint presentation. Once your file is open, look toward the top of the screen and click on the View tab. This is where PowerPoint hides some of its most powerful editing tools. Inside the View tab, select Slide Master. This is the key area where templates keep their locked or uneditable elements. In Slide Master View, pay attention to the first and largest slide in the left panel. This is your main master slide, and anything placed here affects your entire presentation. Click on it, and now take a look at the footer, the date, or the slide number areas. These elements often appear here even when they don't show up on individual slides. From here, you can select any stubborn footer box or number field that wouldn't budge before. You can move it, resize it, edit the text, or delete it entirely. If your template has multiple layout slides underneath, you can also click through the command to make sure those unwanted elements aren't hiding anywhere else. Once your adjustments are done, go to the top right and click Close Master View. Instantly, your changes apply across the entire presentation, and those footers or numbers that once felt impossible to control are now fixed exactly the way you want them. And that's all it takes. A quick trip into Slide Master View can save you a lot of frustration and give you complete creative control over your presentation layout. If you found this guide helpful and want more quick fixes like this, feel free to stick around for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy designing cleaner, sharper presentations.